Nothings, like some things, come in many varieties. And some kinds of nothings can shift our view of the world, the universe, ourselves.
In other words, a big fuss over nothing.
Indeed, don't underestimate the power of that which isn't over that which happens to be.
Sounds like a whole lot of nothing.
Yep. You might say there are two large initial categories of nothing.
Ah, the hole in the donut.
The nothing that is.
Or the hole in someone's understanding.
Or in someone's heart.
The zero is the most familiar incarnation of this first variety of nothing.
The nothing that is.
But there's no zero in early number systems, including those employed in Greece and Rome. Nothing made manifest first pops into existence as more than just a placeholder in India. Zero's a very strange number.
A real zero.
Who goes to the store to buy zero donuts? The zero may have originated in India from a philosophy of emptiness. It would help spread such ruminations. The second large category of nothing.
The nothing that is not there.
I see. Not even a hole. Wholly gone.
Mathematics provides an example here too. An eerie one, the square root of -1, represented by the letter I. It's an imaginary number.
The nothing that is not there.
Because no number squared equals -1. Yet this impossible, non-existent contrivance has proven incredibly useful.
Go figure.
A third variety of nothing. The cold, harsh words that negate.
But the Emperor has nothing on at all.
All that is phony and false. The noble nothing that clears away the bull, the hogwash, Cordelia and King Lear, when asked to compliment her father, the king, refuses to indulge in the false praise laid on thick by her sisters. Instead, Cordelia intones the word, that crisp, clear, stark word. Nothing will come of nothing. King Lear roars, but he's wrong. The truth often flows from nothing, including revelations about religious revelations, the miracles, the judgment days that never come. All those young people who list their religion as none. In religion, politics, and romance, deceptions, insincerities, affectations, and disguises are peeled back by nothing.
Sounds cynical.
I think it's sincere, even romantic.
A stripper representing sincerity?
Well, we are talking about stripping away untruths, those big lies, for example, behind which corrupt governments hide. Sometimes multitudes choose to start over from nothing, and a sometimes nihilistic nothing fills the streets.
For better, or often in history, for worse.
There are less aggressive varieties of nothing.
Nothing that is not there.
Does it quiet your mind, ease your incessant striving? Among nothing's talents is its ability in some guises to be achingly dull. Indeed, sometimes it feels as though there's nothing going on.
Wednesday and Thursday, honest.
Nothing going on.
Friday for a change.
8 billion humans. Living, loving, screwing up. Nothing
A
going
little
on.
more nothing.
Wake up, go to sleep, wake up again. Love comes if you're lucky. Get a job, it's not too bad if you're lucky. Sometimes it all seems to add up to zilch, nada.
Isn't this supposed to be an appreciation?
I appreciate the power of nothing in bringing discontent as well as enlightenment. Nothing can indeed be frustrating, even painful, when you're hungry for food, companionship, or excitement. However, I do take some solace in the haziness of it all. The fact that on some ultimate scorecard, there's
Nothing to get hung about.
the freedom to fail or just not try. No compulsion to care. Nothing insisting that you need to get off the couch. Have you noticed many young people today seem rather depressed?
Perhaps the problem is all those nothings.
Much of nothing.
There sure aren't a lot of somethings to hold on to nowadays. Makes me kind of sad too. We don't have a lot with which to fend off that most chilling of nothings, death. Are you okay with the fact that one of these decades it'll be the end? You'll be kaput.
The nothing
Finished.
that is not
Not to be.
there.
What do you think? Where'd you go? You disappeared.
Missed me, did you? As to whether I'm reconciled to the unrelenting nothing of death. No, am not. But I do note that death makes life more precious, as my absence seemed to make you fonder.
Let me add, since I did miss you, another nothing to our list. The nothing that haunts love. The loss of a love, whether by death or rejection. They're becoming zilch, nada. Being left all alone.
Yeah, but the thing is with love and just about everything else we're looking for,
You don't know what you've got till it's gone.
nothing teaches us what we've got.
By showing us what it's like when what we got is gone.
The imminence of nothing enables us to appreciate life's some things. The gifts of nothing include nothing less than love and desire. In romance, but not just in romance. Nothings provide the outlines, backgrounds, and contrasts that bring some things to life. Physicists have concluded that even the vacuum between galaxies is alive, with fields and with particles popping into and out of existence.
Maybe, therefore, there's no such thing as nothing.
I prefer to believe that nothing is dynamic and full of surprises. Surprises like a roll of the quantum dice in a vacuum, possibly having given birth to the Big Bang.
Come on, something from nothing?
Everything, the universe, possibly coming into existence from a nothing interlaced only with fields and probabilities. I want to declare that nothing,
Scourge of pretense and permanence.
gave birth to most of what is most profound around us.
What's stopping you from declaring that?
Nothing, which asks whether such pronouncements on the value of nothing might themselves be phony and false.
Nothing sure have a way of devouring themselves.
Yeah, but ain't nothing something.
And nothing's plenty for me.